Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a vacuum switching valve in your Toyota Camry. First, ensure your engine is cool and the battery is disconnected for safety. You will need a 12mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension to reach the valve. The vacuum switching valve is typically found on the passenger side, often accessible through the wheel well or from underneath the vehicle. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its location before proceeding. Now, let's begin by disconnecting the old valve. Locate the electrical connector attached to the vacuum switching valve. Press the tab and carefully pull the connector free. Next, you will see two vacuum hoses connected to the valve. Gently twist each hose back and forth to loosen it, then pull it off. It's a good idea to remember or mark which hose goes to which port on the valve for easy reassembly. With the hoses and electrical connector removed, you can now unbolt the old valve. There is typically one 12mm bolt holding it in place. Carefully remove this bolt, making sure not to drop it. Once the old valve is free, take your new vacuum switching valve and mount it in the same location, securing it with the bolt. Then, reattach the two vacuum hoses to their correct ports and firmly plug in the electrical connector until you hear a click. Before you finish, take a moment to double-check all your connections. Ensure the electrical plug is secure and both vacuum hoses are firmly attached to the new valve. Once everything looks good, reconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Start the engine and listen for any unusual sounds or check for dashboard warning lights. This confirms your new vacuum switching valve is working correctly. And for more great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.